Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi and welcome. Yes, my products are now available. Can't you see the way I'm smiling? Mola to mola. My products are available in the market. They are ready for purchase. Please, I'm begging you, come and patronize me. Come and patronize me. If you have sisters in the UK, send them to come and patronize me. If you are in the UK, patronize me. If you are in Germany, patronize me. USA will ship to you to your doorstep. You are in Austria, you are in Finland, Denmark, Belgium, anywhere you are in Europe, in America, send me a message, okay? Patronize your girl. We have our products available. Like I said, we have products for lightening, we have products for whitening, we have products to maintain your skin complexion. Please, my dear sister, if you're brown skin, I have amazing products for you that will glow your brown skin, will give you a healthy brown skin with a difference. It is not going to lighten your skin, and that is what I actually want to talk to you about today. From time to time, I'm going to be coming here to talk about my products so that I give you a little bit of insight about it. But if you really want to know more, please follow me on the pages, because that's where I'm really going to be explaining, putting videos, reels, like for every day on my page, okay? TNT Glamour Skincare. TNT Glamour Cosmetics on Facebook, TNT Glamour _ Cosmetics on Instagram. I'm going to link it on the screen. Now let me talk about this kit. This kit is our Milky Skin Kit, okay? This one is a brightening kit. We have the scrub as well. This is the scrub. And of course, we have the oil. This is the oil, okay? This is our brightening skin kit. It is amazing. If you just want to brighten your skin, you just want to tone your skin, you don't want to lighten, you don't want to bleach, yes, you don't want to bleach your skin, you want to maintain your brown skin, come and get these kits. And yes, before I forget, we started this brand, we launched this brand with promotion. We have slashed our prices. We are selling at a very much reduced price because we are starting and because we want to give you all an opportunity to try our products. So just come into my inbox, send me a message on WhatsApp, and let me recommend you amazing products that is going to cater for your skin needs. So we have lots of products, but let me just talk about this one. I think I'm already ranting too much because I'm super excited. So this one here is our Milky Skin Lotion. This lotion contains beautiful, amazing ingredients that are safe for the skin. Like I said, our products are natural, okay? They don't contain hydroquinone, they don't contain steroids, they don't contain any form of hash or whatnot, okay? So this particular lotion contains, I'll give you a few ingredients to you, okay? You find out the rest when you buy the product, okay? This product contains aloe vera juice. Of course, it's very good for the skin. It moisturizes the skin, it heals the skin, it is calming to the skin. It contains water, of course, to hydrate your skin. It contains shea butter. Yes, it contains shea butter. It contains mulberry root extracts. It contains calendula oil, macadamia oil, goat milk, helichrysum essential oil, and so on, okay? It is good. This one right here is for those who want to just brighten their skin. You just want to brighten, this is for you. You just want to brighten, this is for you. Or you have used our the other lightening products until you've gotten to the point where you want to maintain, this is one of the creams we advise you to use alongside other things we're going to tell you if that is your problem, okay? So this one comes like this. This is the oil. You see this oil right here? This is our Repair Glow oil. Yeah, we gave it this name for a purpose. It comes in this kit, the Milky Skin Kit. It is amazing. This oil contains 14 different carrier and essential oils combined. It is good. I mean, essential oils that you have never heard about. I have not heard about, not because they are bad though, but because it is expensive, so people don't like to put them in their products. This thing contains it. This oil here, if you have white dots on your skin, come and take this oil. You have white patches, this oil is also going to be a part of our repairing kit. I decided to put it in this Milky Skin Kit for a purpose. You get why? You have the damaged skin, come to me, I have a solution for you. So it comes with this oil. Of course, it comes with our amazing face cream. This face cream has got amazing ingredients. It contains aloe vera juice. It contains hyaluronic acid, licorice, rose water, carrot seed essential oil, mango butter, lavender. Like, it's so on, and it's so, just the list is, it is amazing. This one, I cannot over talk about this one now. This one right here, this soap. Damaged skin care, come and get it. In short, this kit is fire. It's a fire kit, okay? So if you are dark skin, you want to brighten, again, you just want to brighten, like you want to have that bright skin, that donut looking skin, this is what I'm recommending for you. So rush now to my inbox. I'm gonna leave my number. Come and patronize me, please. Please follow me on my page, because I'm going to be sharing a lot. Okay? So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Can you see how the skin is skinny?